Welcome to SMA44.com. Today we will see how to find best stocks using the strategy called 200 SMA Regime Shift. And what does it mean? This strategy, which is here under popular strategies, you can find it here. Um, this strategy clearly shows when exactly to enter a trade which has been bearish for too long. SMA 200 is considered as a boundary between a healthy and a broken stock. So this strategy catches precise moment a stock reclaims healthy status with strong momentum, and you can find it under popular strategies, or else you can also find it in shared ideas. Here you could just look for one and find it here, SMA 200 regime shift. So let's click and see what is this strategy. First of all, it is a bullish strategy, that is clear. And this strategy, as mentioned earlier, it shows the exact moment when you should enter the trade. It uses SMA 200 and it shows that the current close is crossing above SMA 200. And the second part of this query is that the close should be higher than SMA 44. So we are using both SMA 44 and SMA 200. So if you see the query here, you will see it clearly that it is a very simple query with these two parts. And this is the outcome of this query. So when you click on any of this is the result. So we got 45 trades. And if you see any of this trade, so here you will see that it is clearly crossing the 200 SMA and it is super bullish. So this shows that the stock is bullish and the trend has changed. So until here from let's say yes at from this point, and that is 12th uh, from December 2025, 11th December 2025 until 26th June 2006, for almost 8 months it has been below SMA 200, and now it has crossed the barrier, and that barrier is called SMA 200. So this is the opportune moment where all the institutions will start focusing on this trade and enter this trade. And if you see here in the side stat, all the indicators are aligned. It shows that right now the RSI is overbought, and this is the right time to enter uh, and look into this trade. So let's see another trade as well. This is moderate buy, and this is again the same. So this trade has been bearish for too long, that is under 200 moving average. But now you see that the both of the moving averages are colliding, and then the SMA 44 is going up and SMA 200 is going down, and the close is above SMA 200 and 44. So this is a very good trade, I would say. Similarly, let's take one more. Here again, this has not been below SMA 200 for too long, but SMA 200 seems flat, and then it started slightly rising here. But this one, SMA 44, is dipping, and then again from here it might go up. But this is again a good trade. So instead of being bearish for too long, this has been moving up SMA 200. And you can find many such trades with this simple query that is here. If you want to backtest this, if you want to backtest this, then you can use the filters from here and then just select any back date. So if you go back, let's take something in March. So simply select this date and click run. So this will give you the trades for that particular date which you have selected, but you can, it will also give you the option to see if the target has been hit. So if you see here, the green sign shows that the target has been hit. So for these trades, let's take this one. The date I need to remember, it is yeah, it is 2nd March. So if I see, take this one. So 2nd March, it is somewhere here. So from here, see the rise. It has been below SMA 200, but then it has risen now and it has moved all the way up. Similarly, let's take another one where the target has hit. Uh, let's see if there are more. Yeah, let's take this one. So again, so for March 2nd, it has been below SMA. Before that, it has been below SMA 200, but then it went up, then it came down again, then it crossed here, and then boom, it just moved up, and then it has hit the targets. So this shows that it is a right time to enter this trade. Here it failed, here it didn't work, but then here it started moving up from this side. There was a pullback here. So similarly, you can find trades which you can enter at the right time, and this is good for long-term trading also and swing trading also. Yes. And this is how you can do back testing. And if you want to do further analysis, then don't forget to use these widgets here. This is one of the good widget I would recommend. So if it clearly shows that uh, at this area, you will find all the trades which are ready to break out. This one I will not consider right time to enter because it has already crossed that. So it is at a very high. This one also I would skip, but this is the opportune moment to enter the trade. So you can use more widgets from here to define your own strategy and analysis. And yes, one more thing. If you want to connect your own trading view setup, you can do so. So when I click on this, it will open my trading view because I have connected my trading view here. And you can always go to my profile and simply enter the URL that you see in the chart, and then your trading view will be connected, your trading view account will be connected, and then simply you can access it by clicking on it, clicking on the icon that you see on the left side. And if you are dealing in multiple exchanges, so for example, Indian Stock Exchange and US Stock Exchange, then simply you can filter it out by filter out the right stock based on selecting the exchange. So right now we are viewing the stocks which are in NASDAQ. I want to see the stock in NYSE. I will simply select the exchange and we will switch and it will find all the trades which are in NYSE. Similarly, you can find similar trades for India, that is NSE. Now it will show me the trades which are in NSE. So from NASDAQ, we saw NYSE, NYSE to NSE, that is India. Here it is showing only two trades. If you are not satisfied, then you can always switch your filters. Uh, right now it is showing the stocks, the trades for March. And if you see here, this trade has hit the target. So let's see this one. So March was this one, I would say. No, 2nd March. So it should be, where is it? Uh, March. This is not March. This is February. This is March. So here it crossed, then it came down, and then again it started rising. And now it has hit the target. So try to see if you find a rising moving average. Those are good trades, I would say. Now let's see the current date. So I will just clear these filters and run the query again. Now it should find more trades because I think most of the trades are currently under SMA 200. So now you see many trades: NHPC, Techsoft, Mama Life. Yes, and this is how you can find. So let's take NHPC. So here the stock has been bearish for too long. It went up, but then it came again, and now it is at the breakout. So it is moving, it is crossing SMA 200 and moving up. So, yes. And if you have any queries, you can always write to us at support@sma44.com. We keep on adding more such strategies. Please like, share, and subscribe. And happy trading. Thank you so much.